Welcome back to the course on content marketing. In this lecture, we will be discussing the importance of defining your target audience and how to do it. One of the keys to successful content marketing is understanding the needs and interests of your target audience. Target audience is the group of people that you want to reach with your content marketing efforts. Defining your target audience is important because it helps you create relevant and valuable content that resonates with your audience and meets their needs. It also helps you increase the effectiveness of your marketing efforts by targeting your efforts to the right people. Let's talk about why it is important to define your target audience. First, it's all about understanding the needs and interests of your target audience. The next step, creating relevant and valuable content that your target audience will love. And finally, defining your target audience will increase the effectiveness of your marketing efforts. First of all, it's crucial to understand the needs and interests of your target audience. By understanding the needs and interests of your target audience, you can create content that addresses their specific needs and interests. For example, if you run a cosmetic shop, you might create content that educates your audience about the importance of taking care of their skin or provides tips and insights about different skincare routines. By creating content that is relevant and valuable to your audience, you can increase engagement and build trust and credibility with your audience. Next, defining your target audience allows you to create relevant and valuable content that they'll love. By defining your target audience, you can create content that is relevant and valuable to them. This can help you build a loyal following and increase the chances of your content being shared. For example, if you run a cosmetic shop, you might create content that is relevant and valuable to makeup enthusiasts, such as blog posts about the latest makeup trends or social media posts that showcase your cosmetics products. By creating relevant and valuable content, you can increase the chances of your content being shared and drive traffic to your website. And lastly, targeting your marketing efforts to the right people will increase the effectiveness of your marketing efforts. By targeting your marketing efforts to the right people, you can increase the chances of your content being seen and shared. For example, if you run a cosmetic shop, you might target your marketing efforts to makeup enthusiasts by sharing your content on social media platforms that are popular with makeup enthusiasts or by creating targeted ads on Google or Facebook. By targeting your marketing efforts to the right people, you can increase the chances of your content being seen and shared, which can help drive traffic to your website and increase sales. How to define your target audience? Defining your target audience is key to creating content that resonates with your ideal customers and increases the effectiveness of your marketing efforts. The first step in defining your target audience is identifying your ideal customer. Next, it's important to do further research to understand your target audience more fully. Finally, you need to create buyer personas. The first step in defining your target audience is identifying your ideal customer. Your ideal customer is the person who is most likely to benefit from your products or services. To identify your ideal customer, think about the characteristics of your best customers. What are their demographics, age, gender, income level, etc.? What are their needs and interests? What motivates them to make a purchase? By identifying your ideal customer, you can create content that is tailored to their needs and interests. For example, if you run a cosmetic shop, you might identify your ideal customer as a woman who is interested in using high-quality skincare and makeup products. This might include demographics like age, 25-45, gender, female, and income level, middle to upper class. You might also identify their needs and interests as wanting to have healthy, radiant skin and wanting to use makeup products that enhance their natural beauty. Once you have identified your ideal customer, it's important to do further research to understand your target audience more fully. This might include gathering data from customer surveys, focus groups, or online analytics tools. By researching your target audience, you can gain valuable insights into their needs, interests, and behaviors, which can help you create more relevant and valuable content. For example, if you run a cosmetic shop, you might use customer surveys to ask your audience about their skincare and makeup habits and preferences. You might also use focus groups to gather in-depth insights into your audience's needs and interests. You might also use online analytics tools like Google Analytics to gather data about your audience's demographics, interests, and behaviors. By researching your target audience, you can gain a better understanding of their needs and interests, which can help you create content that is tailored to their needs and interests. The last step is to create buyer personas. A buyer persona is a fictionalized representation of your ideal customer. It includes detailed information about your customer's demographics, needs, interests, and behaviors. Creating buyer personas can help you better understand your target audience and create content that is tailored to their needs and interests. For example, if you run a cosmetic shop, you might create a buyer persona for women who are interested in using high-quality skincare and makeup products. This buyer persona might include information about their demographics, such as age, gender, and income level. It might also include information about their needs and interests, such as their preferred skincare and makeup brands and products. By creating a buyer persona, you can create content that is tailored to the needs and interests of your target audience. By following these steps, you can define your target audience and create content that is relevant and valuable to them. This can help increase engagement and lead to better outcomes for your business. In the next lecture, we will be discussing how to set content, marketing goals, and objectives. I hope this lecture has given you a better understanding of the importance of defining your target audience and how to do it.